I'm useless.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Not good.
Why?
You know the reason. My bad result in the exam.
Don't mind, but you yourself are responsible for that. You always get up late in the morning. As a result, you cannot complete your lessons on time.
Yes, Mom, I can realize the benefits of early rising. You get up early in the morning and complete so many works. I repent for my mistakes.
You should be. You know there are other benefits of early rising besides preparing lessons.
What else?
You can take physical exercise, which is essential for your body, and morning is the best time to do that. Also, you can enjoy the fresh environment. And don't you know that early rising is good for health?
Okay, Mom. From tomorrow onward I will get up early every day.
Thank you.
You are welcome.